us a little about your company.
We're a manufacturer. We make a consumable product, and it's sold business to business. So we sell to other manufacturers. It's a filter product that's used in the manufacturing process in the finishing industry. We're in Orangeville, Ontario. We've been growing a lot in the last several years.
What prompted you to consider implementing a CRM?
Growing to the point where it was hard for us to effectively take care of our customers. So, years ago, our problem was always sales. And then more recently, it's been managing growth and taking care of the customers that we have. And so our CRM program really helps us to do that.
What was your experience with the consultation process with Solutions Metrics?
Yeah, I'm one of your happy customers. I love Solutions Matrix. We had some challenges, and you guys really came through and solved all of our issues, and it's doing everything we had hoped it would do for us. So we're thrilled. So yeah, I did have a partner to start out the process, and it was not working out well at all. He didn't seem to have the critical mass that Solutions Matrix has, as far as, the programming and the support and everything. And Oliver, I can't say enough about Oliver. He was so good to work with and very attentive and could pick up what we were laying down, and implemented it beautifully, right? And so Oliver was just tremendous throughout the whole process. On the technical side and the programming side, the modification to make it suit what we needed, right? And so, yeah, you guys, it was like, like night and day. It was a breath of fresh air, and because I kind of had the vision of what I wanted, and I just, the first guy, couldn't implement it, right? But you guys did beautifully, went beyond what I'd hoped for.
How have you benefited from using Creatio?
So all of our salespeople, customer service, purchasing, we all use Creatio. And one of the unique things that I really wanted Creatio to do for us was to track our customers' order history, and to communicate with our customers directly, so we didn't have to get involved. Like years ago, I had a spreadsheet, and if someone placed an order, I would make a note in the spreadsheet, and then I'd look at the sheet and think, they're probably due to order. I should give them a call, right? And so you get to a certain size, you can't do that effectively anymore. And so it got to the point where we'd be scratching our head. Oh, it wasn't, so-and-so. They haven't ordered for a while. Are they due to order? And we'd look it up. Oh, yeah, they're due to order. And we'd give them a call, which is not the way to do it. So my plant manager, Drew, he came up with this slogan, and it is never remember anything. And so that's our slogan. But we don't have to, we don't want to rely on someone to remember something. Like our customers, they're all, like, we don't have a cookie cutter here. They're all, we call them snowflakes, right? Because every snowflake is different. And so, customers that need a special packaging or a special filter for some reason, special delivery time, all those things, as you grow, you can't remember, and you shouldn't have to remember. It's all in Creatio now. So, and everyone's got access to Creatio. So that really helped us too, and it's great because it's all been kind of customized by Solutions Matrix to match what we wanted, right? So we input the orders specific to the customer, and then as far as the prompting to them to reorder, right? So Creatio decides based on the formula that we worked out, that a customer, their order history and their order pattern, and it predicts in advance when they should be ordering again. And that's the best part of Creatio. And so regularly these notifications go out, and they're just a friendly letter, hi, so-and-so customer, our records show that you may be due to reorder this product. You might want to check stock and give us a call. And they're timely, right? They're timed based on the history. And so very often we get customers who respond right away, say, oh, thank you for reminding me. Yes, we need to place an order. Here's the order or whatever. Or they might respond by saying, we're having a shutdown for the next 3 weeks. So yeah, we're going to order, but not till after our shutdown. So don't worry, kind of thing. I don't think we ever got an email back saying, please stop sending these, right? Stop bugging me, right? That was a concern, right? But quite the opposite. Our customers know that we are concerned. We love them. I always say, we know their needs better than they do, right? So, anyway, so it's all working out very well for us, and it allows us to communicate with all of our customers effectively, way better, like through Creatio, way better than we could do it on our own with that old spreadsheet or just trying to remember.
Thank you for watching. Interested in a CRM solution to accelerate your business by improving understanding of your customers? Contact us for a free demo with our specialists.